Alright guys, I'm back today with another video, and this is going to be on a wig that I received from the company ChinaLaceWig. Of course, you guys know I'm going to leave all of the details down below, but they sent me over their 360 straight lace wig. It's 200% in density. It's 22 inches. It does state that it comes with a pre-plucked hairline, a medium brown lace, natural back black color, 4 inches of parting space, and 2 inches in the back. This wig does come with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And fresh out the box, it does have a slight wave pattern to it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an easy ombre in the very front if you just want to just add a little bit of pop of color to the front. I'll be using my L'Oreal Beach Babylights in 4D Developer. Now I picked up the Beach Babylights at Sally's, and I just purchased the little packet because I wanted to see exactly what it was going to do, because it is my first time doing that. If you guys aren't comfortable with purchasing a big amount of things, see if they have like a little sampler packet. But I did go ahead and pour all of the contents into the mixing bowl, and then I poured my 4D Developer on top of it, and I just made sure that it was a nice consistency, not too thick and not too thin, so that I can go ahead and spread it on the hair. So now you'll see me go ahead and start parting the hair and starting to separate the back, because I don't want to get any bleach on the back. I just want to focus on the very part. And y'all see that parting space on the mannequin head? Like, it looks good already. So I'm just going to go ahead and start working on one side. When doing this, I really don't have a method to it. I'm just going to go piece by piece, and I make sure I have my rat tail comb, and also make sure you have on gloves. Do not do this without gloves. I have gotten this on my hand before, and it is an uncomfortable feeling. It starts itching really bad. But yeah, I go ahead and take my brush and just start brushing through the hair. And then when I get up close to the root of the hair, I start doing little slow strokes, just up and down and back and forth, so that it doesn't look like a harsh line. Mannequin head was purchased off of Amazon. I will make sure to go ahead and leave a link down below to where you guys can purchase it from, because I know that you guys are going to ask. Yes, if you are coloring and doing this type of stuff, just be prepared for your mannequin head to get dirty. But this one is very easy to clean off because it is plastic. You'll see me doing the same thing. I'm just taking a big section and I'm going back and forth with my brush. And you also want to make sure you get underneath the hair. You don't want to leave underneath the hair out and only have hair color at the very top. And then I want to make sure I'm getting some color from the side. This Beach Babylights, I started to notice that this started turning very quick. Within 2 minutes of me putting the mixture on, if you guys can see, like underneath, it is already starting to turn brown. So I want to make sure that I'm working very quick, but not too quick where I'm going to make a mistake, because I want to get to the other side and make sure that that's going to be left on for the same amount of time, so that I don't have one side that's too light and then one side that's too dark. And I'm just going to make sure that I do the exact same thing that I did to the other side. And I'm just going to make sure that I put enough on and cover as many spots as possible. Like I said, this starts to turn very quick. Like, it started turning very quick, especially on this side of the hair. It really started turning quick. So I'm just making sure to work very fast and enough time so that I'm not going to fry the other side of the hair. I did go ahead and wash this out, because you guys won't see me doing that on camera. I made sure to wash it out in Suave clarifying shampoo, and then I did leave a little bit of my shimmer lights on the hair just to kind of tone it down so it wouldn't be super brassy, and it came out really nice. First side that I did color, I did go ahead and rinse that off first, just because it had been sitting on for a while, and then I let the other side sit just for a little bit before I rinsed it out. Now you'll see me going back and forth with the rest of the mixture that I have, and I'm just going to start filling in spots that I think need to be taken care of, especially going in between the hair, because I don't want any patchy pieces. I also did bleach the knots on this unit off of camera after I rinse everything out. So make sure you stay tuned for the final look, and also to hear my final thoughts on this unit. This is the outcome of the hair. I really thought that I was filming the process of me putting this unit on, and I was not recording at all. I took the same steps that I usually do with my Glam Force spray, and I just went around the hairline, and of course I added a little bit of powder in. Speaking of hairlines, this hairline is bomb. It already comes pre-plucked and ready to go. I did bleach the knots on my unit, and I just freestyled the hairline to get it to where I wanted it to be, but I didn't have to pluck out any hairs, and I didn't have to pluck any of the hairline. The color took very well on this. It started turning really quickly, and when I washed it, I didn't have any issues. As far as the texture of this hair goes, it is a silky texture. I am getting some flyaways and a little bit of frizziness. I did make sure to put my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine serum up in here just to control that down, especially in the very front part because of where I put the color. Now, I could have did a thinner strip within the front, but I've done a thin strip before, and I just wanted to have like a big chunky piece. My daughter says it'll probably be really cute once I curl it, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like in the state that it's supposed to be in, which is straight. Now, it says that this unit is 200% density. When it is freshly washed and dried, it's very thick. While it is flat iron, it's definitely giving me off 150%, which is still good because this is some sleek straight hair. You still get a very good amount of hair with this unit, and it's 22 inches. And I'll make sure to turn around so you guys can see what it looks like. I didn't notice any short hairs at the very front. I did bleach the knots. The knots took very well. And what else do I have to say about this unit? As far as shedding and tangling goes, I have not noticed any shedding, maybe 1 or 2 strands, but as far as tangle goes, I am getting some tangles, especially at the very ends and then in the nape area. Now, is it enough to annoy me? No, because it is a longer unit. I will probably go around and take a wide tooth comb, but yeah, it's not enough to where I feel like I can't control it. I hope you guys enjoyed the coloring tutorial. If you guys would like me to film more tutorials, please let me know down below in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this hair and if you are feeling this color in the very front. If you are interested, of course, I'm going to leave links down below. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave it down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, share and like this video, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye guys.